My dear viewers, so today I'm going to do a rather primitive unpacking video. I say primitive because in order to get the stuff in here properly, I have the camera sitting on a little weird object, not even a tripod, and I have no one to hold the camera for me. So, except for now, you're not going to see my face in this. So this is a mug warmer. The exact make and model I'll put in the description or the title of the video later. So this package arrived. I crossed out the exact address, even though you can find me in a Google search in 5 minutes. People like to send me cease and desist orders, are very good at finding me. And so I just opened this package here. And what we have here is a smart cup warmer. And I'm going to do the best to show you all the stages of me unpacking this to the best of my ability, since there's no cameraman here. So, let's see. So, looks like the mug warmer is coming with this little plastic thingy on top. Taking it off. And looks like inside is a rubber thingy I can put on top of the surface, so this way no one gets burned. Like for example, Rob Walchick the cat, I could imagine very easily walking on this when I remove the tea mug. And looks like this is a cord held together with this whatchamadinkle here. It's a long whatchamadinkle. I like to save them when possible. Try to take, there we are. So I'm probably going to save this for other items. And this is the cord. So basically I would plug this in, and this would warm the tea mug. And I don't really see any buttons on here, so I don't even know how to operate this thing. So I'm going to have to read the instruction manual that came inside this. And looks like the thing is officially called Coffee Mug Warmer Model Number A204. And I'm going to have a bit of a project today trying this out on a mug of tea. So that's my video for today.